Now I'm going to show how to do the stack diagram in this equation. Okay, so first we're going to divide into two parts. The first part is this, and the second part is this. So at the first diagram, we want to write down A. At the second diagram, we write down A and B. So A divided by B. So the third diagram, we should write down the divide symbol. And the fourth diagram, we want to make it into one term. So at the bottom of the diagram, we can write out A divide B. Okay, this is the one term. So at the next diagram, we write out the A divided by B. In the top of the diagram, we write out T. So we left the minus symbol. The minus symbol we will put on top of the T. So A divided by B, T, and the minus. So total we complete the first term. So we write out at the bottom of the next diagram. So the equation is A divided by B minus T. Okay, we did the first part. So the second part, we also want to separate into two parts, which is the C plus G. We do the C plus G first. After this, we divide P. Okay, so we write out the previous equation, which is A divide B minus T. At the top of the equation, we write out C first because we want to do the bracket first. Okay, the next we also want to write down the G. Okay, now we want to add the plus here, so we write on top of the G. So we write down the previous step. Okay, we complete the first part of the second part of the equation. Okay, so we write down completely into a term. Sorry, it's a mistake. Okay, which is A divided by B minus T C plus G. Okay, we complete the equation. Okay, now I want to divide P here. So we also write down the previous equation. Okay, we write down the P on top of the equation of C plus G. So we left the divide symbol. So we write on top of the P. So we do the same step. Okay, we did the second part of the second equation. So we write out complete into a term. Because we have the bracket, so we want to follow up the equation here. So C plus G. Okay, we almost complete the equation this equation. Okay, so now we left the plus symbol here at the middle between the first equation and the second equation. So we write out the same equation here. Okay, and we add the plus symbol. Okay, so the last step we just make it out of a equation set like this, which is a divided by b minus t plus c plus g divided t. Okay, close the bracket. Okay, we did the stick diagram here. Okay, the equation you want to double check is the same as the stick diagram here. Okay, thank you.